Let's learn how to turn on and how to turn off an Epson projector. That's an Epson EB-E01 projector. So first of all, make sure that your power cord is actually plugged into the projector right there, and make sure the power source, actually the source, is also turned on from right there. Okay, you turn it on from there. Now let's take notice of what is happening on top right here on the power indicator lighting. That means power is actually entering the projector, but it's not yet on. What you're going to do is you're actually going to press the power button. Okay, now when you press the power button to turn it on right there, press the power button, the status indicator actually flashes blue as the projector warms up. Once the projector is warmed up, the status indicator stops flashing and then later starts to light blue, and then your projector is actually starting to turn on. There you can see now it's now on. That is basically you turning on the projector. You can connect it to your computer via HDMI and all that. If you want to power it off, what you're going to do, you're going to press the power button right there, and then they will show you this on the display. To power off, tap yes. Please press the power button again so that the projector can actually turn off. And there you go, you've been able to turn on and turn off the Epson projector.